Hey everyone, so having an issue right now with starting this 2013 Nissan Altima. If someone can help, that would be really appreciated. So I have changed the battery, I've changed this remote, got a new remote, got it reprogrammed. Yeah, I changed fuses, checked fuses, changed the relay. I'm not sure what else the problem can be. The brake lights are actually working. I changed the brake switch that's down here as well too. So it's making this clicking sound, which is basically the shifter. So, and the brake lights are actually working when you press the brake as well too. But just it freaking won't start. Kind of annoying.